What's up, people? Good morning. I'm already in the office in a massive panic. Thank you. Thanks for this. Thanks for not being able to make a... Can't you make an announcement maybe now or like in the morning? Could you announce this in the middle of the day so we could have had a chance to make some money? So all the bargains that you thought you were going to get, or anybody who was out there thinking that the panic was in the street, and the panic was in the street. The panic was definitely in the street. When you see camera guys everywhere interviewing people in the street, what are you gonna do? Are you frightened? Are you nervous? What are you gonna do? What's the common investor to do in a tragic environment such as that we're in? Come on now, you knew the end had to be near. You knew something dramatic was gonna happen. And, of course, Wednesdays and Thursdays, I was home with the kids, not able to partake in all this fun stuff. Yeah, that's the best part of it all. When I left the chat room at about 2 o'clock, I said, alright, I'm going to be leaving the office right now, and I've been going long all day. What does that mean? What does that mean? Oh, let me also explain something to all the new people in the world. Somebody said I was a little bit smug, maybe condescending, maybe arrogant. Here's the point, buddy. That was laid on with a big fat wad of sarcasm. I am an absolute schmuck. You know what? Back in the day, I did make a lot of money. Turned 30 grand to probably over $1 million over a couple of years. But over the last 5 or 6 years, basically I've been dwindling that away. Thank God I bought my wife a nice ring. Thank God, or she would have left me a long time ago. And thank God I bought some real estate back when it was a little bit relatively cheap. But right now, I was coming in this week, options expiration, thinking there was going to be some added volatility. I was thinking about buying some maybe nickel options to give something a shot. Now where am I? Nowhere. Nobody. Nothing. I got nada. All I got now is a gap up in my face. Stocks are going to be up 10 points higher from where I wanted to buy them. And now, what is this? We can't short stocks? We can't short stocks? What does that mean? What does that exactly mean? I have to buy puts or sell on the money calls? What are we supposed to do now? The bottom line is, we're getting fucked again. If you want to get together, let's do this. Let's get a petition that they have to open the markets up where they closed the markets the day before. Enough of this gap up bullshit. I gotta come in and see. I don't even know where the stock's gonna open up. Where was I trading dryers yesterday? 45? What's gonna open up? 55? Am I gonna want to buy the stock 10 points higher from where it was 24 hours ago? Of course not. Every stock across the board, the Qs, anything. You can throw a dartboard. And that Morgan Stanley. After I got that phone call, I was like, maybe I will give Morgan Stanley a shot. 17. Where's that going to be now? 30? Are you really going to start piling into stocks right now? And what's going to happen Monday? You know, has this been voted on? It hasn't been voted on, at least? We don't even know. It's a proposed solution. I haven't even turned the news on. All I did was I immediately opened up my ARCA book. I see the Qs are at 42.93. You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. And you gotta know one thing. I promised myself I wouldn't short anything. But you know what? Remember those naked calls I was telling you about on the Qs? Yeah, that's going to be super duper. That's going to be real exciting as I'm taking my ducking, just getting it in the ass, basically. Taking it in the ass due to the fact that they can't make an announcement. Make it in the middle of the day. Give us a chance. At least yesterday we had a chance. When the market started rallying, it was open and we had a chance to get in. Of course, the risk was there. Oh, maybe this is not real news, but I don't know. But that's it. At least you have the shot. At least you have the chance to make a decision, to decide what you want to do intraday. Not gap it up in cyberspace, wake up the next morning, and everything you wanted to buy, or if you got caught short, now you're screwed. Now you're screwed. Thanks very much. This is just a bullshit move. Bullshit. We should have let it... Can you have it one more day? Why couldn't they just had this thing happen in the middle of the day? Why not come out, let's say the NASDAQ futures were down 50 this morning. Panic in the street, camera crews out there. Oh, so what are you going to do? What are you going to do? Then make the announcement, like 10:30. Holy shit, look what happened. They just made an announcement, 10:30. At least we could have got in. At least we could have got in. Maybe you would have missed the bottom because nobody catches the bottom, but maybe you were lucky enough to catch the bottom. Maybe you were lucky enough to be in long some stocks because you were looking for bargains. But now there are no bargains. Now there's nothing but you getting your ass kicked if you're short and you're not knowing what to do with the morning with this gap up. It's bullshit. Bullshit. What I have to say right now, also, I brought my camera in today. I want to give you a little tour of what I have here. I told you I got my own place now. And I hang out in this hovel because this is my specific office. We're going to have some stuff in the background eventually. I want to show you the outside of the office. Because if you're in the New York area, I got room for 3 traders. You want to hang out right outside my office. We're going to set up intercom systems. It's going to be a whole big thing. This is bullshit. Absolute. This is bullshit. It's bullshit.